Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I make plus sandwich. So guys can see all the item. Can see the toast bread is 3 slices. You slice your bread and toast. And this coleslaw, this fried egg, this bama, and this boiled chicken. You boil your chicken and shred it. And this sliced tomato. So the only thing I will do now will mix the chicken and coleslaw together. I'll mix them together, put bama. I will mix them, you put bama. After putting bama, you mix bama and then together. Put enough bama so that the thing will not go to eat. You mix them together very well. You get chicken sandwich also. That one use only chicken, can't use coleslaw. And this one is plus sandwich. Call it plus sandwich. Can use it for your breakfast. Can use it for your children. Put it for their lunch to school. So after you mix this one, you now you rub bama on your bread. You rub bama. Make sure you rub it very well. Sorry. Just toast your bread and do your coleslaw, boil your chicken and do your sandwich. After rubbing the bama, you now started putting the vegetable and this thing, the coleslaw and the chicken. When you mix together, it's 3 layers. Now begin to fill it. To fill the two. Then the third one, you use it to cover it. You want to cut it. See? Make sure you fill the two very well. See? This is the third one. This is the third one. I did fill the third one because I'll use it to cover it. Then I want to cut it. Now started putting a slice of tomato. After putting it like this, now put the fried egg. You see, you put the fried egg. After putting the fried egg, now carry one, put on top. Then you carry the third one, cover it, and see the 3 layers. This 1, 2, 3. You cover it like this. You see the edge. Then you trim the 4 sides. You trim this side. You trim this side. You trim this side. And this side also. You guys can see. After you hold it like this, then you cut it. cut this side comot, this edge. So you train the first side. So guys can see the one I cut comot. That is the side. So this is how it be. After you cut it, you divide it into two. So as e dey like this, you can put it for take away and take it away. You can take it to anywhere. If you are travel, you can do it for your children. So it's not hard. So you just toast your breads, cut your coleslaw, boil your chicken and your fried egg, and slice your tomato. That is all. And rub your bama. If you want to use butter, you can use butter. But if you like bama, you can use bama. So that is all for cloth sandwich. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. See you in my next video. Bye.